Hey everyone, in this video I'm showing you a DIY that actually looks high-end. It's super easy to make with just basic materials and trust me, no one will ever guess it's homemade. Stick around till the end of the video because I'll also share a simple hack to get that perfect expensive look and finish. I started by blowing up a balloon and wrapped an elastic band around its middle. Then I mixed in a thin solution of wood glue and water. After that, I soaked small pieces of old newspaper in glue water solution and applied them to the balloon. By the way, the first few pieces of paper were too big. Later I discovered that it's way easier to work with smaller pieces of paper. After the first layer was done, I immediately continued with the second layer. When the second layer was finished, I left it to dry completely until it's hard to touch. Then I popped the balloon and removed it along with the elastic band from inside. I gently pressed the bottom of the shape inward to flatten it slightly so it could stand on the surface. Then I cut my shape to a desired height. For the next step, I mixed gypsum with water. The consistency of the mixture shouldn't be too watery. I poured the gypsum into the paper shape and quickly distributed it all around the inside. I left it to dry completely and then I repeated the process 2 more times. After a third layer of gypsum, the sides were already quite thick, but the inside was still bumpy, so I decided to add 1 more layer of gypsum, and for this final layer I used 1:1 ratio gypsum to water. When the shape was completely dry, I moved on to the next step, which is to remove all the paper from the surface. To do that, I first soaked my shape in water until the paper softened, and then I started to peel the paper off piece by piece. To speed up the peeling process, I used 180-grit sandpaper. I sanded small area first and then peeled off the paper. When all the paper was removed, I waited till the surface was completely dry and started painting. I've chosen sand color for my vase and mixed it myself from white, yellow, red and a bit of blue. And here's the trick. To achieve a ceramic effect, I've added a bit of baking soda to my paint. In total, I've applied 2 coats of paint and I removed any loose particles from the surface before applying the second coat. The final step was to coat the vase with a layer of matte varnish. And here's the final result. I made 2 of these vases, one in sand color and another one in brown. Let me know in the comments if you like it. for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.